Hello all, we are JJ Mushrooms, and today we will be quickly showing you guys how to start growing mushrooms from your JJ Mushrooms kit. First things first, cut or poke a small hole into the top of the bag. After doing so, squeeze the excess air out of the bag. Take the excess wrapping and wrap it around one of the sides like so. Put that side on the bottom, and so that the open side is facing up. Take a box cutter knife, scissors, or any sharp blade and cut a nice big X into the open side. Now you're all set. Some reminders though, make sure to mist the spot often throughout the day, ideally 5 to 6 times. Keeping your kit in a humid environment with lots of fresh airflow are the two keys to bigger and better mushrooms. As you can see here, we have a greenhouse with a humidifier for maintaining our humidity and an air purifier for maintaining airflow. After your first harvest, you can continue misting the area for additional flushes. You can even put another X on the opposite side and repeat the process. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Good luck on your mushrooms, and we'll be on our way to enjoy these gourmet mushrooms. Peace.